In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Ubersuggest. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, these easy-to-follow steps will have you set up in no time, so let's dive right in. First, we'll want to navigate to the Ubersuggest website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL or click on a link if you have one handy. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a lot of information about the services they offer, but for today, our focus is solely on getting started by creating an account. You'll want to look for the Sign Up button, which is typically found at the top of the page. This is your next step in beginning the registration process. When you click Sign Up, you'll be redirected to a new page with different registration options. Here, keep an eye out for the option that says Register Here. Clicking this will take you to the registration form. Now, it's time to provide some basic information. In the form, you'll see a field that asks for your email address. Go ahead and type in your email. Make sure it's an email you check regularly because any future communications, updates, or important notices from Ubersuggest will be sent there. Once you've entered your email, it's time to choose a password. When creating your password, aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it strong and secure. It's also a good idea to write this password down in a safe place or use a password manager to keep track of it. After typing in your password, there's just a little housekeeping left before you're all set. You'll see a checkbox for agreeing to the privacy policy. It's crucial to understand the terms and conditions, so feel free to glance over them before you click the checkbox to indicate your agreement. With all the information filled out and your agreement noted, the next thing to do is click the Register button. This will officially create your account. If prompted, click Next to proceed through any final steps or confirmations needed to finalize your registration. And there you have it. Your account is now successfully created, and you can start exploring all that Ubersuggest has to offer. From keyword research to competitive analysis, Ubersuggest provides a robust suite of tools to enhance your digital marketing efforts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started with Ubersuggest. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy optimizing!